How's everybody doing today? Just want to come and give a quick example of two main types of life insurance. I've talked to a few people lately, and a few people think they have one and they have the other, or vice versa. So I just wanted to do a quick explanation of kind of the two of the main types of life insurance coverage that you could get. First type is going to be term insurance. Now, term insurance is most of the time used for just protection. You're not going to get your money back in most cases. You're not going to get your money out of it. It is just for a specific term, and you're pretty much buying to protect your family. Term is, you could do a 5-year term, a 10-year, 20-year term, a 30-year term. And what term insurance does is it affords you to be able to get a large amount of insurance coverage for a small premium every month, to be able to protect your family. So, for instance, if I need $1 million of term coverage, at my age, I may only pay 30 or 40 bucks a month. And it's very cheap to protect my family. If I still have children that need to go to school, or I'm trying to replace income for a long time or anything like that, most options term is the best, okay, for that type of situation. Your other example is going to be whole life, and that is insurance for your whole life. So whatever your whole life is, whether it is another year, whether it's 40 years, 50 years, it doesn't matter. You will keep it for your whole life. Most of the time, and in getting into more in-depth, you can use that for cash value purposes or building wealth or anything like that. But just in the basic sense, it is strictly a whole life policy that will pay, and normally a smaller death benefit. It's normally a larger premium because it will pay, and it is something that will pay. It is whole life coverage. So it's not going to end in 10 years or 20 years. It's going to kick into effect as long as you pay it for your whole life, okay? Most of the time, once you take out a term or whole life, the price is locked in for that specific term, or if it's whole life, for the rest of your life. Sometimes it's not, but you really got to make sure you know what you're getting. Another thing I've been seeing really quick is a lot of people will take insurance out at their credit union or at their local bank, and they'll tell me they have $100,000 of coverage and they're paying $4 a month for it. More than likely, this is accidental coverage. So you would have to pass in an accident for this to pay. If you pass due to natural causes, heart attack, stroke, cancer, anything like that, in most cases, it's not going to pay. So just review your policy, make sure you know what you have. Some people have had it for so long, they don't have any idea what they took out or how it works or anything like that. So just review it and ask your agent to go over it with you so you know exactly what you have and exactly how it's going to work. Because once you pass, it's a little too late to go over it at that point. All right. Hope you guys have a good day. Let me know if you need anything.